Hey everyone, here's a canvas from my last video. Got some beautiful cells. And you can tell I already cut it out of the frame because it is going to go onto this collage, which I think will be a nice addition. So there it goes. All right. Doing a mallet smash on cradled wood today. I believe this is 12 by 12 inch. Here we go. And I like to use the plastic mallet on wood versus the rubber mallet, because the rubber mallet kind of suctions to the wood. It doesn't give as great of a result. Grab my gloves out. So I've got ARTEZA Mid Yellow, ARTEZA Phthalo Blue, ARTEZA Rose, and ARTEZA Brilliant Red. And they are all mixed with Floetrol and water, as is the white paint that is my background paint. I wasn't going to do a mallet smash because I'm like, I've been doing so many of them. But then I thought, I haven't, if you've noticed, haven't had as many videos lately. Been kind of in an artistic rut. I've been working on the collages a lot. But as far as pouring goes, I've been just kind of in an artistic rut. I don't know if that has to do with my mindset or what it has to do with. But I would love to hear your stories about what you do when it happens to you. How do you deal with it? Because it actually stresses me out. Which isn't good, because this is supposed to be, my fun and relaxing activity. This is, what I do to calm down and relax. And so it shouldn't be something that causes me stress. So I would love to hear your views and how you deal with it. I anxiously will await your, I just put a big clubber of something on there. Dinner. Gross. So I await your correspondence on that. And if you would prefer to discuss privately, my email is ian@osborneart.com, and it's email. There is, for some reason, when I type it out in the comments, it wants to make it a website. And then people are like, hey, it's a website, it's not active. Well, no, it is not active. I bought it a long time ago, and I am not a computer person by any means, so I never did anything with it. But when I bought my email, I bought the site with the same name, because someday you never know. I don't know what that is that I just got in there. Is it still in there? Actually, I don't want to use Brilliant Red. I want to use I'm going to use... Jeez, what do I want to use? Let's use Cocknell Red. kind of hoping I get like on one of my last mallet smash, my last smash gave me like a ribbon effect. That was pretty cool. If I could accidentally get that ribbon smash again, that would be neat. I'm not quite sure. I think it hit the wood frame on the canvas. So this whole thing is wood, so who knows. I believe I ordered this, Blick maybe. I was gonna say Jerry's, but I think it's Blick. They're pretty reasonably priced for wood. Goes. This might be a sweet and easy one. Look how pretty. So normally I don't like the halo when I hit it in the middle, but I did that on purpose. Ooh, even dry it's pretty. It's permanently stained that way. But this is how I wanted it. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. This is like the 10 by 20 that I sold. And now I have another one. And it's very, very, very cool. I am torching it because I did not torch that white paint initially. And there's tons of air bubbles in it. This one will be resined because I always resin my wood. I just like the way it looks better. I'm just going to touch out the edges. I'm so glad this came out because, as I said at the beginning, I've been in a rut and I've been kind of bummed out. And these beautiful, beautiful bright colors can really improve a mood. There's my resin coffin. I have some stuff being resined underneath there. Dots still being made. I've got production everywhere. Check it out. Awesome sauce. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, click the bell so that you get alerts, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.